Alright, today, yo, we are at fucking Daikoku, bro. I can't say where, but we are in Daikoku right now. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Sheesh. Yo, what's up, man? Say what's up to the vlog. How you doing? Introduce yourself, man.
YTFR cars, dude.
You said what now? YTFR cars?
YTFR.
Okay. Yo, check this man out. This dude got the best sim driving experience ever, man. I swear. Best shit out there. You vlogging too? Oh shit, okay.
I can, hold on.
Oh shit, okay. Camera reception go crazy, bro.
What's up, bro?
Oh shit, how you doing?
What's going on, man?
I'm good, Dave, I'm good.
It's rollers at you, bro. Hold on.
Shit. Shit.
Oh, hold on, that's a real car.
Oh shit. Yo, watch out. You need the one now, Grad?
I said I need my bolts.
Alright, chief. What's rolling up? Oh shit. Some bright ass whips, bro. Oh my gosh. Yo, what's up, man? How you doing? Yo, camera reception go crazy.
You got the move on you.
I know. I would say just literally like go up a floor because I think it's starting to get packed up here.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about, you think they got any spots for us at the top?
There might be a spot near me actually. So if you want to park there, otherwise just go straight up. What the fuck happened?
There's spots for all of us.
Okay, yeah, you might as well.
Are you leaving?
No, I'm just...
No, you're
Come
trying.
over there. You're all by yourself. It's a great picture after reunion and a
I guess fuck it.
Just make sure I don't hit anybody.
You're good. All right, keep going. Yeah, you're good. Keep going. Alright, you should be fine at this point.
Take the chairs and put them there so they got spots.
Yeah. Yo, what the fuck? Oh shit, yo, thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Hey, what the fuck? Oh, TLX looking ass. What's up? You're heading out?
Yeah.
Oh damn. Alright, good seeing you too.
Yeah, we'll see you soon and stuff. So.
Soon enough. Yup. What's up? How you doing?
Doing good.
You just chilling out? It's too cold or something? Yeah, I don't blame you.
I got the heater on right now.
Shit. So how do you feel about Mr. Psycho Angel Art drawing the fucking R33?
Honestly, it's a pretty big moment, like for me and Project Reunited. And I discovered him like, I think it was, oh my god, you have a mic!
Yes, I have a mic on.
He's getting serious, guys! Get up to 40 subs right now! Yeah, no, this is like, I was just telling Project, like, this is a big moment just because, like, I appreciate his work and, yeah, like, the fact that it's our car, like, I'm like, yo, because the last time was the R34 Vale side, right? Last time. So we get to have the special moment today, so yeah.
Let's take a moment to appreciate Mr.
Wait, what is it?
He went and showed up, like, what, like 40 minutes late to his own meet
It's
and greet.
okay. Everyone knows that whip. Everyone knows.
Yo, what's up?
Sir. Oh my gosh. Does Daikoku usually roll up like by themselves? Do you know?
They usually show up early before everyone else shows up. But you know, some of the other core members, like Dave right here, he just have to show up real early.
Yes.
He just have to show up a lot earlier than Mr. Daikoku himself, you know.
We're all part of the team. It's a team effort.
It's a team effort.
It's a team
Yes.
effort.
Hey, so what we trying to do tonight? What's the plan?
Move? I don't know. Oh shit.
Dude, I was like, I really want to go to New York City. Can we please make it happen
Well,
tonight?
bro said he doesn't want to fucking do it. I'm like, alright.
No, he said that.
Yes, I asked him. He was like, no. Yeah, bro. Okay.
Okay, what do we got here?
This fit is
Hello
going crazy. Yo,
Hey, yo, I gotta add this in my vlog. I got the camera out for this. This is cool.
Bro got Mitsubishi wheels. Look at this shit.
Yeah. Can you zoom in on that?
Yes, I can. Look at this.
Hell yeah. Wait, there's a QR code in the front. That's cool. That's cool. Oh shoot.
Oh shit.
Hey, Julian.
Michael Craig.
The Lexuses are growing on me.
Yeah,
They really are. He's still talking.
Still talking.
Which means,
Yeah.
is his work done though?
Yeah, let's like
Is the work done?
I really not meeting you guys on Project Reunited. Yeah. He puts in crazy work. Like, you know, the creators. You know, he always drives out from, you know where he lives? 1.5 hours. Yes?
No, I get to hold the mic.
Oh, okay. And so he'll drive out 2 hours every time to come just film our cars. Even if it's not guaranteed that we're gonna be there for long, he always just comes out 2 hours. And so that's where these two really make me appreciate you artists, you know, because you guys don't have cars always. You know, you have cars, some of them have cars, but most of the time you're not here for your car. You're here for other people's cars and what you're doing.
All right. Can I see the artwork? What do you got right now? Oh shit.
Hey, dude,
so
good thing I got the tummy on that before I picked up.
Yes, sir.
Third. Oh my god.
That's awesome.
Alright, you guys need to follow Psycho Angel Art on Instagram, man. I'm gonna put like a whole banner right here showing his artwork, doing crazy shit. I swear. She was.
Guys, this is on my mic.
It's the wrong mic, man. You got people leaving. Shit go crazy. Yo, what the fuck? This is a clean shot right here. Nice.
Which is interesting. And the manifold cover, these like manifold pipes are thinner than my have.
Damn, we out here seeing 350V, but like, where's the she? Oh, never mind, she back there maybe. I don't know. Anyways, let's take a photo. Sheesh. She go crazy. Oh shit. Oh shit. Cycle leaving. Hey, okay. There he goes. Nah, cause I wanna see this the Civic real quick, bro. What the fuck? Yes! Do it! The boot go crazy. Damn, they even drew fucking dicks on this shit too. Crazy stuff.
Rambo, here.
Alright, time to get photos of Brembo. It's the matter of what we got here? Okay, EP3, EK, Soarer, 300ZX. Should go crazy. Look at this color, man. Oh my gosh. Nice. Mr. Daikoku himself. Oh, we got booty wagon too. Booty wagon and right since 2K. Hold on, I need a clean shot. Alright, we get booty wagon. Shit. Nice. It might be blurry, but I can't tell. I think that's Mr. Baher photo, but I can't tell. I don't know. Let me get one of Mr. John. He should go crazy though. Alright, then we got these Evos right here. These are clean too. I think that's it. I don't think anyone else is parked here. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. This is the end. Okay, alright. Time to walk back to the group, see what's going on. Oh shit, yo, what's up?
Very Filipino.
Yes. Yes, that's. Yo.
Watch your back.
What?
Watch your back.
Who?
Your mother.
Okay.
Your mother has to watch your back.
That's crazy.
I have a sticker.
What?
I have a sticker.
You mean a mozzarella stick? This is
I
the.
meant this sticker.
Oh, that was given to me from a coworker. Not like that. Not like that. I'm already talking to someone.
How many people are you talking to?
You, Raymond, Sam, Vic, Brembo's mom, you know. I talk to a lot of people, you know.
Hi, how are you? How you doing?
How are you? Good. Is this a famous Brembo bark I heard so much?
Yes, this is Brembo bark, bro.
That's what you need. It's just
No, Brembo bark is famous. What are you talking about? Brembo bark is famous. Look at this man. Oh, hey, there you go. Look at this. Clean. So clean. Watch out. The stance life. 10-point turns. Should I just call you Angelo for the vlog? That's crazy. Yo. Oh shit. Yo, what the fuck? How you doing, man? Alright, yeah, he's up there, I think. Damn. R32 go crazy. Alright, let me go walk down. I need to speak to other people. Get some more photos of other cars. But at the same time, I don't even know what the fuck I have for photos, man. Like, low-key, these pics might be kind of blurry.
You wanna have a sneak peek?
Shit, let's see it. Damn. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. So you're gonna.
I'll see you around.
All right, I'll see you, Bar.
What you been up to, man?
What's up? What I've been up to?
Yeah.
Camera. That's what I've been up to. Camera, and then this camera right here. So, what's new with the fit?
Nothing.
Nothing. You're not trying to become like that guy I Am Asian on Instagram?
Well, someday. This is just my daily for now, so I gotta get rid of this.
Yeah, so you gotta get rid of that monster truck fit, man.
Yep.
It's all good though, because these New York speed bumps suck.
Yes, they do. I was kind of glad that I had my stock suspension in today because it was like bad.
But I mean, like eventually you'll learn like how to avoid them, you know.
I mean, granted, I've driven the 240 down here before, so it's not like
you have.
the end of the world. So, but I definitely do want to get a little tighter suspension because I've been doing some tailgate runs lately, and
yes, in Mexico.
yes, in Mexico.
In Mexico.
And I want to, you know, I need more low. It's too.
Yeah, no, we all want more low.
I can't do that.
We all want more low. Shoo, this Supra sounds so good.
Yeah, it's a 1J swap.
All right, see, now this is cool. This is sick. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey.
No heat. The windows are stuck down, and he's still down here.
Wait, you said no windows?
No windows.
I could have sworn they were up. Oh,
no,
shit.
they've been stuck down. How long have the windows been stuck down?
For like over 2 years.
Yeah.
That's
no
insane.
heat either. And he still drove like,
Drive
I don't know,
like in the freaking cold. I'm like, how the hell?
Hey man, dedication, perseverance.
Yes,
that's all it is at this point. It was a good meet, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's basically empty now, though.
I know.
But it was good. It was good.
That means more content for us.
It was a nice random Friday.
Exactly. It was like so last minute too. I almost like did not show up, but you know I had to.
If this thing had no spacers, the fitment would be so fucking
It's your sign to go lower.
No.
It is a
He
sign.
always tells me to go lower and then tells me not to go lower. In like the same time. It's crazy.
So I think you should just go lower. Go
I
ahead.
think I'm gonna stay stopped for a bit.
Yes. For now. All right, Mr. Mayanaka, how was the meet?
That was a good meet.
It was a good meet. Yeah, I think so.
For word of mouth meet.
Not for real. Yeah, no. It's
More chill. Because they don't get too hot.
It's just less pressure on everyone.
Yeah. For like a first meet when it's still called out last minute.
Yeah.
I think these are cool.
Brembo butt. The Brembo butt go crazy. Nah, but what time is it? It is currently 12:46.
0047.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was good seeing you.
Good seeing you too, Matt.
I will see you
Hopefully soon.
eventually.
Yeah. All right. As long as Henry comes out, you have to show up. What? I was telling him if you show up to a Jersey meet, he needs to show up with the Miata.
Oh yeah, we're fixing it tomorrow. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Oh, you licked my face.
Bye. Good seeing you too, Brendan. Yes, sir.
See you around again for sure.
See ya. Bye. Yes, sir. See ya. You got something to say to the vlog for the outro?
Next stop,
Shabu.